Okay, welcome back to our DIY Golf Club Restoration Beginner Series. If you're just joining us, you're late, but I'll catch you up. We are in the final stages of restoring a 2013 Titleist AP1. So from start to finish, we tore it apart, we did scratch and dent repair, we polished it to a high gloss, we did surface reconditioning, we did club face reconditioning, we did paint fill, and now we're in that final step where we can weigh the club, we can put on a fresh ferrule, we'll put on a fresh grip, and we'll put it all back together. We can see how it turned out. Now at the beginning of the restoration, we checked the club head weight using this gram scale, and I think it was like 271 grams. The club head weight after the restoration was 268 grams. That means I gotta add a 3-gram tip weight to account for the weight loss during the restoration. Now this club already had a tip weight, so I need to do some math to figure out what that total tip weight size should be. To put it all back together, we're gonna use this 2-part epoxy. This is mixed 1-to-1 using this handy little applicator. So when I push on this plunger, equal amounts will come out of each side, and then I can just stir it together. Now to make it really strong, we're gonna add shafting beads. Think of shafting beads as like rebar for concrete. We add about 2% to the epoxy, and it's really gonna help with that bond. Then once the epoxy's mixed, we'll put a little bit on the tip of the shaft, we'll put some in the hosel, then you can slide on your ferrule, you can slide on your tip weight, slide on the club head, give it a couple of taps, and then let it dry. Then once it's dry, we can turn down this ferrule to make sure it's flush with the club. You can leave it like that, but it looks unfinished. Changing the grip, super simple. All you need to do is cut off the old grip, and I use one of these utility knives with a hook blade. You just slice it down the middle, peel it like a banana, and then you can peel off all the old tape. Then to put on a new grip, we're gonna use this double-sided grip tape. All you do is you peel off one side and you stick it to the shaft of the club. Then you peel off the other side to expose this adhesive. Then to soften the adhesive, you could use grip solvent, you can use lighter fluid, it does the same thing. We're gonna pour some of this inside the grip. Then we're gonna dump all the excess onto the top of that double-sided tape to soften the adhesive. And then this should slide on no problem. Now you only got about 30 seconds to get this aligned, so we're gonna use this logo as a guide to make sure that we're aligned with that leading edge of the club face. Changing the ferrule is one of the best ways to customize or personalize your club, but you can only do it when the club head is off of the shaft. So if you want to change it, now's the time to do it. I'm going to stick with the OG on this one, but there's a ton of color options if you want to customize your club. So that's the basics. Now watch me work. So that's reassembly. I gotta admit, I got a little sloppy with the glue, but it cleaned up nicely. And if you wanna know how this one turned out, let's watch this video together, and I'll see you on the next one.